Hello friends, in this tutorial we will discuss about the 5 tricks for sure success in any MCQ examination. This is presented to you by Free Study Circle. First of all, trick number 1. How many questions to attempt in any MCQ exam? This is the $1,000,000 question that is asked by every aspirant before going to any examination. Let's first find out what is the trick followed by most of the students. So these are the 5 approaches that are followed commonly. First is attempt all the question regardless of what comes in the examination and what you know and what are the rules of the examination. Then the second approach is only you should attempt the question you are sure about. The third approach is it depends on the difficulty of paper. If the paper will be easy, I will attempt more questions. And if the paper is difficult, I will attempt less of the questions. Then the fourth approach is that the only questions which I have some idea, I will attempt only those questions. And the fifth approach that is not so uncommon is that it will depend on the mood. It will depend on my mood on that day. Okay, so all these approaches are right according to one thinking, but I will tell you about the scientific thinking that you should go with, and that will definitely help you, and then that will definitely increase your chances of clearing the examination. So the approach to be followed depends on how much negative marking is there in the examination. You should first read carefully in the prospectus and in the examination that how much negative marking is there. If there is no negative marking, then there is no question. You should attempt all the questions. And if there is negative marking, you have to first see if it is 1/4 negative marking or 1/3 negative marking. 1/4 negative marking means that each question will be of 4 marks, and for each wrong answer you will lose 1 mark. In that scenario also, if there is 1/4 negative marking, still you should attempt all the questions. And if there is 1/3 negative marking, then you should attempt all the questions that you know that one option is definitely not the answer, that you have eliminated one option. Now you will ask that from where this formula came, that with 1/4 negative marking attempt all, and with 1/3 negative marking you should attempt those in which you have eliminated one option. So let's see that from where this formula came. So let's see the equation, how it was derived. So it works on rule of probability. So what's the rule of probability and how it works? Let's see with an example. So take an example. Let's see. In 200 MCQ exam, you know 160 and you attempt only 160 that you know, and in that you get 100 right and 60 wrong. So by calculation, 4 marks for each right answer and 1 mark deducted for each wrong answer, you will get 340 marks. Okay, what you apply my formula that I just told you in my previous slide, that with 1/4 marking you should attempt all the 200 answers. So the 40 questions that you just attempted blindly, then by law of probability you will get 10 questions right and 30 wrong, as there is one choice right out of the 4 given choices. So by this law you will get total 110 questions right instead of 100, and you will get 90 wrong instead of 60. The marks calculation will be 110 into 4 minus 90 into 1 is equal to 350. So see here, you have gained 10 extra marks just by ticking the answers that you were about to leave blank. So this is the law of probability. So some aspirants may say that what if you get all the 40 questions wrong? In that case, you will lose marks. Then for those, I will say that there is same probability that you can get also the 40 questions right. There is same probability of getting 40 questions right as the probabilities of getting 40 questions wrong. And this is a very rare probability. Most of the students will get something around that, and they will get something around 5 to 15 marks if in the case they don't know 40 questions. So you should attempt all the questions if there is 0.25 negative marking, which is the case in most of the examination. And if 0.33 negative marking is there, so by same calculation you may calculate that if you attempt blindly all the questions, then in the end you will be at no profit, no loss. But I will suggest you that if 0.33 negative marking is there, then you should attempt only those questions in which you have safely eliminated one choice. So for the next tricks, we will be making videos soon. So what you should do, you should subscribe to our channel Free Study Circle, whose description will be given below, whose link will be given below in the description. So such videos, for many such useful videos, you should subscribe to our channel. We already have made some videos for you, and these are some very useful videos for you guys. First is ancient history, that is covered in just 3 videos, and we have made these videos on a single slide using different colors so that it's easier to remember the sequence. And every major events of each kingdom is covered in the videos, 3 videos, each video of less than 25 minutes. So just visit our channel and see these videos. We have also made a playlist of ancient history. Then we make current affair videos, every government scheme that comes, about which most probably the questions are to be asked in the coming examination. We also make other history, geography, economy videos about the important topics, the topics on which videos are not available and that are difficult to understand. So please subscribe to our channel and share with your friends, and like our videos. Comment below that how you find our videos, what extra videos you want, and what you want to change to in our channel or in our videos, the videos we make. So it will help us, guys. So share maximum and like our videos and comment below. Thank you.